Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Durmen Box. This is a monthly subscription box for men. Each box contains 4 to 6 items and has over $100 in value. And I also have a promo code that I will leave in the link below in case you want to try one. There's a little product card inside. And it does go through all the products. So I'm going to set that aside for a moment. Everything's really nicely wrapped. First thing I'm pulling out are these sunglasses. Some nice aviator sunglasses. Also have some dress socks that says size 10 to 13. Oh, those are colorful. I like those. Pretty soft too. Cotton Republic. Cool. I like these little pouches. Ooh, that's very pretty. Very nice turquoise bracelet. Product card says that historically, turquoise is considered to be a symbol of male power. It's a talisman of luck, success, ambition, and creativity. Very cool. It is adjustable. I like that. Also have something from West Coast Jewelry. Looks like a dog tag necklace. And the dog tag is just plain on both sides. It does say it's stainless steel. It has a really thick chain. Very cool. And the last thing in the box is a food item. We have some Warrior Candy Premium Beef Jerky. Whiskey Straight. Huh. Made in Las Vegas. I love when boxes include a snack. That's like my favorite part. So I'm going to show you the product card one more time. We have the aviator sunglasses, and it gives a little description or maybe why they chose it for the box, which is kind of cool. Beef jerky. Has a smooth whiskey flavor. I am very curious to try that. And then dog tag necklace and cotton striped socks and our bead bracelet. Very cool. So if you guys are interested in signing up for a subscription, I have a $10 off code that I will leave below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.